Hello guys, you're welcome once again to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to set up events in your Facebook ad manager. Alright, event talks about whatever thing you want to track on your pixel. Alright, so in my previous video, I've talked about how to set up your pixels. Pixel talked about a piece of code which you connect with your website to help you track whatever thing that is going on your website. Alright, so without wasting much time, before we dive into the training, I want to especially appreciate every one of you that have subscribed to my channel, every one of you that are commenting. I so much appreciate your effort. All right. So if you are a new subscriber, and if you are new to my channel, if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get quality updates. All right. Before we continue, my name remains Ahmad Etiosa. I so much appreciate your effort and I appreciate you guys for staying to my channel. All right. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the training. All right, so the moment your pixel is connected successfully to your website, this is what you get. Your website will definitely appear here and you will have this. Okay, and for you to be sure that your pixel is working perfectly, you need to install this extension called, let me show you here. The extension is called Pixel Helper. It's called Pixel Helper. It's an extension. You can see there, Pixel Helper. All right, it's a Chrome extension. It's a Chrome extension. Alright, so this particular plugin, it will help you to detect if your pixel is active, just like what you are seeing here. So if I open my site now, if I open my site, business business bridge. Okay, so if I open the site, let me copy this is it. If I copy this one now, so this particular extension will help you to detect if your pixel is active or not. So if I go there, the moment I load this particular site, you will see this pixel. Can you see now? Can you see that one pixel? And if you check this particular pixel code, if you check this pixel code, which is 831, if you come over to this part here, you will see there 831, which shows that my pixel is actively installed. Okay, so now that we have confirmed that, the moment you install your pixel, just allow it for some time, just like some few minutes or few hours. So once you make the pixel, if you check this particular domain now, this domain, you can see your businessbridge.org is the same pixel you are seeing here, your businessbridge.org. So which shows that the pixel and the Facebook, the two are connected. So once you have this thing installed, the next thing for you to do is to come to manage integration, because this aspect now we are going to add event to our particular add event to our website, which the particular event we want to track. Right, so this is what we are going to do now. So once you do that, you come to manage integration, then you come to this manage here. All right, you come to this manage, you see it here, click on manage, then you click on open event setup tool. So this event setup tool enables you to add events to your to your website, the particular event you want to track. That's what this event setup tool. So you click on open event setup tool, right? Then I will now have to copy the link, the particular link I want to add the event to. Right now, let me go to my website again. I'll come to all pages. I click on all pages. There are so many pages on this website, but there's a particular one I want to track. That is the reason why you need event setup tool. So if you go to all pages, these are all the pages there. I'm not tracking all. Right, I'm not adding events to all the pages. I want to add event to a particular one, and I told you before that event talks about, it can be you want to know the number of leads you are generating, you want to know the number of visitors you are getting, you want to know the number of sales you are making, and all of that. Those are events. So I'll come here. This is the event I want to add. You can see the truck bridge. I'll copy it. All right, I'll copy it. I'll come here. I'll paste it here. You can see now, paste it. Then I'll click on open website. All right, open website. So once this load up, can you see now? It's asking me track button or track URL. I want to track a button. This is a button here, and also this is a button. They are the same thing. Click here to apply. So I'll click on track new button. You can see there. So I'll click on it. Then I'll now select the event I want to track. You can see there are different events: add to cart, initiate checkout, lead, purchase, add payment info, and all of that. You can see that these are different events you can track on your website. And this particular one I'm running, I want to generate leads. So this will enable me to track leads. You can see it here, lead. All right, you can see there. Then you click on just ignore, don't choose value. You can see that. Then you click on confirm. All right, so you can see that. You can see it. So whenever anybody comes to this particular website and click on this, click here to apply, it will definitely inform me that number of persons, the number of lead I'm able to generate to determine the number of apply I get here. So that's the essence, so that I will not just be running advert for the sake of running adverts. So I'll click on finish setup to, and I'll click on finish, and I'll click on was this event setup to helpful to you? I'll click on yes, and I'll click on submit. All right, good. You see what it says? Thanks for helping us improve. Okay, so good. I'll click on done. That is all. So the next thing I would like to do now is to go to my ad manager and run the website. Sorry, I'll run the advert. Okay, so once I come over to this place now, come to my I'll come to ad manager, click on it here. You can see that. Click on ad manager. Okay, so I click on ad manager. Right, I've talked about how to set up your business manager. Right, you can check that in my previous video. So now I want to run an advert, so I'll click on create. So in my last video too, I also talked about the different adverts you can run. All right, different adverts you can run on your website. So once you click on this, these are different adverts you can run. All right, so thank you guys for staying to the end of this. Hope this particular video was helpful to you, and if you do, please give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure you drop your comments if you're having any challenge. I will be glad to help. All right, thank you, and see you in my next video.